Hey guys, this is Alex Orchias, and today I will be reviewing the Fifine Technology wireless microphone system to see if this is the best budget microphone on the market. Check, 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 1, 2, check, check, check. After using this small $35 system, it's safe to say that this thing is the best option for beginning filmmakers and video producers. I've been shooting with this system for about 3 weeks now and have not run into any major issues. It sounds great when shooting both inside and outside. The quality is very similar to another few microphone systems that I've used, but it's at a fraction of the cost. The only downside when it comes to this system is the fact that it has no cold shoe mount. Hopefully in the next model they include it. The other minor issue is sometimes you'll get a little bit of interference when using it at long distances. Other than that, this is the perfect audio system for beginner filmmakers. If this video helped you at all, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe for more photography and filmmaking videos. Thanks for watching.